Hello, I am a North America happy trucker. Today we're going to take a journey into the heart of the Great Desert of Nevada. This is one of the most fascinating and historically significant deserts in the world. The Great Desert of Nevada, also known as the Nevada Desert, covers a staggering 120,000 square miles, or about 311,000 square kilometers. It's located in the western United States and covers most of the state of Nevada. It's an ancient landscape, with its history dating back to more than 60 million years ago. This desert is not only vast, but it's also incredibly diverse in its geology and ecology. It's home to unique wildlife like desert bighorn sheep, coyotes, and rattlesnakes. The temperature extremes here are also quite remarkable. Summer temperatures can soar above 120 degrees Fahrenheit 49 degrees Celsius, while winter nights can drop to below 0 degrees Fahrenheit minus 18 degrees Celsius. The Great Desert of Nevada has played a pivotal role in American history too. It was through this region that pioneers traveled during westward expansion. Ancient Native American cultures thrived here for thousands of years before European settlers arrived. And today, it continues to be a draw for tourists and scientists alike who want to explore this unique natural wonder. Thank you for joining me on this virtual tour of the Great Desert of Nevada. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about our planet's amazing landscapes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, take care and stay curious.